Your Royal Highness, on behalf of the Ministry of Education of Thailand, it is my great honor and profound privilege to stand before Your Royal Highness at the 6th Princess Mahachakri Award Ceremony 2025. I wish to express my deepest gratitude to Your Royal Highness for graciously presiding over this most meaningful occasion. This ceremony is far more than a recognition of outstanding achievements. It is a heartfelt tribute to the noble profession of teaching and shining testament to the far-sighted vision of Her Royal Highness, Princess Mahachakri Sirinthorn, whose lifelong devotion has inspired generations and advanced the cause of education throughout our region. Since its inception, the Princess Mahachakri Award has served as a distinguished platform to honor teachers whose dedication transcends classrooms and borders. It reaffirms that teachers are not merely transmitters of knowledge, but also builders of character, agents of change, and architects of a brighter future. This year, the 6th Princess Mahachakri Award honors exceptional teachers from 14 countries across ASEAN member states and neighboring nations. Significantly, this is the first year the award has extended its recognition to 3 new participating countries: the People's Republic of Bangladesh, the Kingdom of Bhutan, and Mongolia. Each recipient exemplifies the spirit of compassion, perseverance, creativity, and the values that Her Royal Highness, Princess Mahachakri Sirinthorn, embodies and continues to inspire in all of us. In today's rapidly changing world, a great teacher must not only be a guide and mentor, but also a coach and innovator. Those who dare to reimagine learning, those who connect classroom lessons with real-world experiences, and those who nurture empathy, morality, resilience, and critical thinking in their students are the educators who truly shape the future. The Ministry of Education of Thailand is deeply committed to empowering teachers throughout comprehensive professional development, enabling them to meet the demands of an ever-evolving world. This includes expanding training opportunities, integrating advanced technologies such as artificial intelligence, and promoting innovative teaching and learning practices. At the same time, we place strong emphasis on reducing teachers' workload, allowing them to dedicate more time to educating and nurturing their students. The ministry is also committed to enhancing teachers' welfare and support system to improve their quality of life and well-being, recognizing that their welfare is fundamental to sustainable educational development. We remain steadfast in our vision to ensure inclusive, equitable, and high-quality education for all. On this gracious occasion, I wish to extend my sincere appreciation to the Princess Mahachakri Award Foundation for its tireless dedication in organizing this meaningful initiative. To our international partners and educational agencies for their continued support and cooperation, and most importantly, to all teachers whose passion, patience, and unwavering commitment continue to illuminate the path toward a better and more compassionate world. Before I conclude, may I now invite Dr. Krishnapong Kiratikon, the chairman of the Princess Mahachakri Award Foundation Committee, to report to Your Royal Highness on the organization of the 6th Princess Mahachakri Award ceremony and its related activities. Following the report, may I humbly request Your Royal Highness to graciously deliver the opening address. May it please Your Royal Highness.